There you go. That's an LT1. Yeah, there's the gasket. I guess I must have put it underneath, so now I gotta go over there and fix it, which easy fix. So I'll go over there and fix that. That's why you see a leak and smoke coming out from that end. There's an LT1, aluminum heads. The heads are 54 cc's. Been fully ported. It's got a hot cam, 525 lift, flat top pistons, maul rings, new water pump, new sensors, new gaskets, injectors were all cleaned, new painless wiring harness. As you can see, it's running on this computer. It does need a tune, so if you can find somebody that can tune it for you, it'll be a good driver. Good. As you can see, it has power, but again, the idle goes up and down. That's just a tune will fix that. It's just set up right now. It's got the wiring harness with the bats deleted on there, which bypass, not delete, but bypass. After that, it is for sale, complete turnkey starter, water pump. All you need is your alternator, power steering. That's about it. It's got everything. It'd be a complete with throttle body. Everything. It works just the way you see it, except the hitters. The hitters are for my test engine. Everything else, it's ready to drop in. So it'll be listed for sale. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Share this video. And again, thanks for watching.